Hi guys, I know everybody wants to be Instagram famous. So if you are new to Instagram and you need more followers, there is the best app for you. And this is not your typical Instagram hacks where a lot of websites provide you fake followers. This is not a fake follower. This is real, genuine followers. And how to do that? I'm telling you. First, you need to download Neutrino Plus. Yeah, that's the app name. So go to Play Store and click Neutrino Plus. Neutrino Plus, yes. And start it, of course. It's only 14 MB. Okay. Taking time. It's a very good app. I used to try it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, folks. Hello. I agree. Now we're going to read terms of regulation. Sign in. So it takes you into your Instagram websites. So type your login ID. Login. Then if you see my profile, and you can see I didn't post anything. That is a fresh new account, 0 posts, 0 following, 13 followers which I used. And click on the tick button. If you have a referral code, use it. I'm just clicking no. Okay, touch on the box. That's the idea, crystals. And click on the star button. You can see click to start gaining followers. And what you want to do is that you have 50 crystals. You need at least 359 crystals to be in the top of the website. So you have only 50 crystals. So what you want to do is that, yes, click on the and subscribe them. And subscribe them. For every subscribe you get 10 crystals. So just do until you get 359 crystals. So now I have more than 359 crystals. So what I'm going to do is click here, click to start gaining followers, and just click OK. Okay. See, you can see my profile is on the top of the website, and you can already see the notification I'm getting. Just go to my Instagram account and see. I already got 17 followers in 2-3 seconds. So guys, if you are looking for more followers, I think Neutrino Plus is one of the best app for that. And thank you guys for watching the video, and thank me on the comment section.